Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean, and today I'm showing you guys how to get rid of soap scum forever, hard water stains, any type of buildup, especially in old caulk lines in bathrooms, with no scrubbing by using my new, and we are going to be using my new favorite and go-to cleaning product, which are these attachable brush heads for your drill. I will have these linked down below for you guys. These are absolutely amazing. No scrubbing required. I got rid of the toughest built-on soap scum and hard water stains and everything that was built up in the caulk lines on the base of my faucet here. These are fantastic. I'm never going back, and I cannot wait to experiment on what else I can use these brush heads for cleaning around my home. It is the perfect thing to add to your Amazon cart heading into spring cleaning to get all those nooks and crannies without a lot of elbow grease. You can see just how amazing it worked here. I'm absolutely loving these. It got rid of absolutely everything in just a matter of seconds. I didn't speed up this video at all. I didn't want to make any cuts. I wanted you guys to see just how easy this was for me to use these attachable drill brush heads to get all of those built-on things that just happen in life. How easy this was. It worked so much better than going in with a toothbrush, and I am never going back.